The Chilean object is an electromagnetic vehicle, exactly like the one that Leonard Wilson caught. But this one has a weirder shape, but it's all full of hands. Look, fingers everywhere, the same thing, exactly the same. Watch when I take the outlines off. Look at that. Look, the same fingers and everything. It's exactly like it, full of hands everywhere. Wow, man. I knew it was gonna be like that. I just knew it. They couldn't figure it out because it was far away. But I enlarged it, I magnify it with the browser, then I use a little bit of the zoomer and took the color off, brighten it up. Look what it is. You can see the finger. I mean, there ain't no mistake. That thing is full of hands. That's all there is there. Look, small ones, medium, large, in exactly like the Leonard Wilson I did before, the colorful one. Insane, man, that is insane. But so that means this is come from the creator. That's what electromagnetic vehicles are, the tools of creation and transformation. They create, maintain, transform, and sometimes destroy. When the shit is not working right, they giving the order. Do what you gotta do. Get rid of this fleas, all this pestilent shit. Get rid of them. Boom. That's exactly what happened during the dinosaur and the other deal. They decided they need to change the dynamics. Probably took some of those dinosaurs to another planet that was forming, and it was starting, so they put them there to set the seed of life. Exactly like James Horak said. I imagine that it would be like that. It had to be. If you're a God and you have to create deals and you have to transform others and everything is in a different stages. Wow, just think about trillions of words moving at the same time. Wow, man, that is gotta be something. Wow. And still he pay attention to us because the entire system is a living thing. All of it. From the stars to the galaxy to the little grain of sand, something is moving over something. Well, that's a badass deal. People cannot. I mean, you have got to have some imagination to think about from that tiny atom deal to the biggest thing, and everything is in motion. And there are some that are invisible, some in in another realm we don't know about. I mean, we just don't know a thing. In the scale of time, we just a blink. Boom. Let's see. 100 years, shit. We don't even last that long. A few of us. And what the heck did you learn in 100 years? Not that much. But enough to, to get a little glimpse of, open the window and look outside. Oh, look. Out there in the prairie, I saw something moving, really. You don't know shit. Go back to sleep. Wake up next time. Yeah, this is an electromagnetic vehicle with the signature of God all over it, the hands of creation. Few people, I don't think you're going to find anyone else talking about this. Doubt it. There's nobody else see the symbol. Nobody. I mean, this thing has some designs on it. Look at that. This thing is full of, I mean, intricate deal, but it's all the same geometry. I see it. It's just become convoluted and complex because it overlap and it's in smaller sizes and different directions. But it's the same thing as the Leonard Watson one. Kick ass. Yeah. To create deals like that from a simple shape of hands, you got to tip your hat to that. The sky is always showing us the same thing. It's like a canvas. It's like, and you don't see it. That's the sad part, that we don't see it. Well, I see it now, but before I didn't. And whoever is listening to my crap, better look at it and better, I mean, if he doesn't see it, I mean, something's wrong with you. After I show you all this shit, if you don't see it, man, there's something wrong with you, really. I don't know what else to show you.